Hi everyone, we are going to do a math lesson virtually today. We're going to try it and I want you all to do the best that you can. And if there's issues and you don't understand, we will go over this again tomorrow. Okay, so for today, we're moving on to lesson 7. And our teaching point today is that mathematicians make 10 by changing them to an equivalent fact with 10 in order to add numbers to 20. Sounds confusing, but we're going to learn today how you can make a 10 to make adding easier. Okay, so I am going to send you this video link separately to watch if you feel that you need to after we go through our slides. Okay, before we start our new work, I want us to do a little practice with things we already know. So the first thing I want us to do is to practice counting by twos. Skip counting, which I'm sure you guys know. Remember, skip counting is when we start at 2 and we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So right now, I want you to hit pause on this video and I want you to practice counting by twos, starting with the number 12. So say 12. What comes next? Hit pause and do that now. All right, everyone, welcome back. I hope that you practice skip counting starting at 12 by twos. And it would sound like this: 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job. Next, I want everyone to get out their dry erase board and marker, and I want you to do some practice solving these problems. Okay, there's 2 problems here, 10 plus 2 and 12 plus 1. So I want you to hit pause on this video one more time, and on your dry erase board, I want you to solve 10 plus 2 and 12 plus 1. Hit pause now. Welcome back, everybody. All right, I hope that you got your answers. 10 plus 2 equals 12, and 12 plus 1 equals 13. Okay. Next, I want you guys to review our number line. We did this earlier in the unit, and we talked about the number line and how it can help us in math. Okay, and on this number line, there's some numbers covered. What is this missing number that comes between 6 and 8? And what is this missing number that comes between 13 and 15? Write it on your dry erase board. What about this one? What's the last number in this number line that comes after 19? Good job, guys. Now we're going to move on to our new topic of the day, which is making a 10 to solve. Okay, so guys, we use number lines to help us, and we already learned this. Right here, they're asking us to solve the equation 9 plus 6. So look at what we've done. We've started at the 9, and we have these frogs that are jumping because we make 6 jumps. And where do we land? Right here at the 15. So that is one way that we can use our number line to solve the problem. Okay, but what we're learning today is that sometimes you can make a 10, okay, and that makes it easier to solve. Okay, so the same problem of 9 plus 6, if we start at the 9 and just jump 1 to get to our 10, 1 less than 6 is 5. So we only have 5 spaces left to go. And it's easier sometimes for our brains to think of 10 plus a number instead of 7, 8, or 9 plus a number. Okay? So what is 10 plus 5? If you said 15, you are right. And look, We landed at the 15 when we did 10 plus 5, and we landed at the 15 when we did 9 plus 6. It depends on which is easier for your brain to think of. Let's practice some more. So here is 8 plus 9. We can do it the same old way, right? Where we start at 8 and then we hop 9 times. And if we do that with these frogs, we land at 17. Okay, but let's think, if we start at 8, how many more do we need to get to 10? Okay, we already are at 8. How many jumps do we need to make to get to 10? 2. That's right. Okay, so now we've made those 2 jumps, so we need to think, what is 2 less than 9? And that's how many more we need to go. Okay, because we already made those 2 jumps. So now our new problem would be 10 plus 7, and we can answer that quickly because we know that 10 plus 7 is 17. Okay, it's just a different way, guys, for our brains to think about numbers. Okay, so now on your dry erase board, I want you to try this on your own. Okay, think about 7 plus 5. You can make the jumps on the number line 5 times and get to your answer. Or you can think, if I start at 7, how many more do I need to get to 10? And then how many more do I need to go? All right, so you're going to solve this on your own on your dry erase board. And then you are going to click on the next assignment, which is your homework. And you're going to try some of this on your own. Okay, if this is hard for you and you're not understanding it very well, that's okay. Just do your best. And then tomorrow when we do math all together, we will review this. All right, guys, good luck. Use those brains. I am super proud of you. Okay, and good luck on that homework. I'll see you all tomorrow.